Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm bringing you another yummy dessert, and this is a guava cheesecake, but it's not going to be baked in the oven. So if you want to see how I make this recipe, just stick around. Hoy le traigo una receta muy rica. Si quiere verla, no te vaya. So now I'm going to grind up my crackers, and I'm going to add melted butter into the blender so that I can make the base of the cake. Le voy a moler las galletas para hacer la base del cheesecake. Next, I'm going to add the evaporated milk and the condensed milk with the cream cheese into my blender. En una licuadora le voy a poner una lata de leche evaporada, leche condensada y queso crema. So now I'm adding 3 packs of gelatin to a bowl. I'm going to mix it with some water and about a quarter cup of water, and then I'm going to add it to the microwave to melt it because it's going to harden up really fast. And once it's melted, then I'm going to pour it into the blender. The reason that I can't add the gelatin right into the milk is because the grains will not dissolve. They have to be melted. Estoy agregando gelatina a un tazón con un cuarto taza de agua. Se endurece muy rápido, así que le voy a poner en una microondas. Por la razón que no puedo añadir la gelatina en la leche es porque será grano y tiene que estar en el líquido caliente. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds and it should be melting. If you need more time, just add a little bit more time. Le voy a poner la gelatina en la microondas durante 15 segundos. Si quiere más tiempo, hágalo. Next, I'm going to start cutting up my guava, and then I'm going to add them into the blender. Ahora estoy cortando las guayabas y le voy a poner en la licuadora. Now I'm going to add the cookie crumbs into my springform pan. And the reason why I'm using the springform pan because it's easier to release the pan from the cheesecake without breaking it. Ahora le voy a poner galleta molida en mi molde. Estoy usando un springform pan para no romper mi cheesecake. Now you want to press the cookie crumbs down with your hands, or you can use a glass. Ahora aplánala con tus manos o un vaso. Now you're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to harden. Siguiente, le voy a poner en la nevera para endurecer. So now I'm going to use a strainer and I'm going to pour my batter through the strainer to remove all the seeds. Ahora le voy a pasar la leche a través un colador. Now it's ready for the refrigerator. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour until it hardens. Ahora está listo para la nevera durante una hora para endurecer. So this is the last step. You're going to cut up 1 pack of guava paste, which is 14 ounces, and you're going to open up 1 more pack of gelatin. I'm going to add about a quarter cup of water to the gelatin. Le voy a poner un paquete de gelatina. Le voy a mezclar con 4 tazas de agua. Le voy a poner un poquito de agua con la guayaba para ayudar el proceso. So I'm going to add a little bit of water with the guava to help the blending process. Next, you want to mix the gelatin with the guava. Siguiente, mezcla la gelatina con la guayaba. Now we're going to remove the cheesecake from the refrigerator and we're going to pour the gelatin and the guava mixture over top of it. Ahora quita el cheesecake de la nevera y ahora le voy a echar la mezcla de la guayaba y gelatina. So now it's going to go back into the refrigerator for about 3 more hours. Now for the best results, leave it overnight. Pongo un cheesecake en la nevera durante 3 horas más, pero para los mejores resultados, un día. So you need a knife to loosen the edges because if you don't loosen the edges with the knife, it will break. Use un cuchillo o una espátula para liberar los bordes. Now I'm going to cut into the cake so you can see exactly what the texture is. Mira que belleza. It's really a beautiful cake. And I'm going to take a piece just so you can see what the texture is like. So give me 1 minute. Como pueden ver, es muy esponjoso y suavecito. As you can see, it's nice and smooth and delicious. Well, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my recipes. Well, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para ayudarme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y suscríbete a mi canal si quiere más videos como este.